Hey, what's happening, y'all? Check it out. This is my Froglet Growout enclosure tutorial. I'll start with a 12-quart Sterilite gasket enclosure, 30 ppi foam filter mat, reverse osmosis water, magnolia or oak leaves, and then Java moss, cuttings from my tanks, and that's about it. And one more thing are these large film canisters. Shout out to Troy Goldberg. So first things first, let's put that foam filter mat snugly in the enclosure. Just cut it down to size. Very easy to get in there. And yeah, that's basically in place of substrate drainage layer. Next, we're going to put some magnolia leaves in there. That's what I had right at that for this tutorial. But put a bunch of magnolia leaves in there, and I like to I crush them up just to make sure there's a nice layer across the top of that foam filter mat. It's very important for the frogs, for springtails, etc., etc. The next, I like to hose it down, man. I like to really spray it down with reverse osmosis water to get that humidity up. The excess water will go down to the bottom of the drainage where that foam filter mat is. But yeah, just give it a nice spray. And then next, we're going to add some Java moss. I like to use Java moss over sphagnum. And so I use that so the cuttings can root into it. Also holds a lot of moisture. And as it grows, it's good hiding. So there's a piece of Margravia from one of my enclosures and Cebu Blue. And then some, let's see what else. Philodendron verrucosum, a couple of pieces of that. That's about it. I mean, it's good for the frogs. It's good to keep humidity up. It's just good coverage. And yeah, so definitely like to use cuttings. And I add these big film canister lids, kind of mimic a bromeliad axle, something like that. Really good for the more arboreal species. And then that's it, man. Look, that's the entire enclosure. Super duper simple. This is actually my second step. First step is this 7.5 enclosure, and this is the 12 quart. Then finally, I add springtails, a nice group of springtails, and that's it. Kind of just sprinkle them throughout the enclosure, and that's it, y'all. Anyway, peace.